Hey everyone, welcome back to MindsetHub. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams, creating a vision board. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure about your goals, a vision board can help you visualize your aspirations and attract them into your life. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is a vision board? A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams. It's a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that inspire you. The idea is that by regularly seeing these representations of your desires, you can attract those experiences into your life through the power of visualization and positive thinking. Why create a vision board? Vision boards have gained popularity in recent years, especially among individuals seeking personal growth, motivation, or clarity about their future. Whether it's for career aspirations, personal relationships, or lifestyle changes, a vision board serves as a constant reminder of what you're striving for. Now, you might be wondering, why should I create a vision board? Here are a few reasons. 1. Clarity. A vision board helps clarify what you truly want in life. 2. Focus. It keeps you focused on your goals, reminding you daily of what you're working toward. 3. Motivation. Seeing your dreams can motivate you to take action and make those dreams a reality. What you'll need. All right, let's talk about what you'll need to create your vision board. Here's a quick list. 1. A base. This can be a corkboard, poster board, or even a digital platform like Pinterest or Canva. 2. Images and quotes. Gather magazines, printouts, or draw images that resonate with your goals. 3. Scissors and glue. If you're going for a physical board, you'll need these to cut and paste your items. 4. Markers or stickers, to add personal touches and make your board visually appealing. 4 steps to create your vision board. Now, let's get into the steps for creating your vision board. 1. Set your intentions. Take a moment to reflect on your goals. What do you want to manifest in your life? It could be related to your career, relationships, health, or personal growth. 2. Collect visuals. Start cutting out images and quotes that resonate with your intentions. Look for things that inspire you and make you feel excited. 3. Arrange your board. Before gluing everything down, arrange the items on your board. Play around with the layout until it feels right to you. 4. Affix your items. Once you're happy with the arrangement, start gluing everything down. 5. Add personal touches. Use markers or stickers to add affirmations or doodles that reflect your personality. 6. Place it somewhere visible. Finally, find a spot for your vision board where you'll see it daily, whether that's your bedroom, office, or even your phone background. Using your vision board daily. Creating the board is just the first step. To truly manifest your dreams, make it a habit to spend a few moments each day visualizing your goals. Take a deep breath, look at your board, and imagine yourself living that reality. Feel the emotions associated with achieving those dreams. This helps you attract them into your life. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of creating a vision board. I hope you feel inspired to manifest your dreams and goals. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Share your vision board creations in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Until next time, keep dreaming big.